Hey again, I'm Kenneth from BECOSAN. In today's edition, I will take a closer look at
BECOSAN, everything starts with one clear idea: a stronger, cleaner, long-lasting industrial floor. We understand how stressful it can be when a building changes tenants, undergoes renovation, or prepares for a move-in or move-out. Floor takes its hardest hit, and they are usually the first thing that needs attention. That's why we perfected a workflow built around just two powerful phases. The first one is surface preparation. Every detail the concrete needs handled by our team. Removal of screws, bolts and anchors. Repair and sealing of expansion joints. Crack treatments, grinding and leveling and polishing. Complete preparation to leave the floor ready for real long-term performance. The BECOSAN treatment. Our patented system densifies, seals and transforms the concrete into a durable, dust-free, low-maintenance surface. A simple, proven process that delivers exceptional results. If you'd like to learn more, we are always here to help. Visit our website, explore the process, or contact us directly.
Thanks for watching. See you soon.